Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make the easiest DIY garland for cheap and with 5 easy steps. So keep watching.
We'll be sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols.
So to do this DIY, I had everything on hand already, so I'm just going to tell you the materials that I used. I had a piece of rope, a tape measure, paint sticks, ornament hooks, and tree trimmings. So let's start with step number 1. Measure out how long you want your garland to be.
Prince of Peace.
Step 2, start adding in your tree trimmings using the hooks.
And mercy, my God and sinners reconcile. Joyful all nations rise. Join the triumph of the skies. With angelic hearts proclaim Christ is born in Bethlehem.
Step number 3, add in the paint stick, and this just makes the garland sturdy.
I woke up this morning, I looked outside my window where children lighting up the Christmas tree, and the snow is falling. It reminds me of the good times, those winters we would spend just you and me. It's been such a long time, but tomorrow's Christmas Day, and I am on my way. I'm coming home for Christmas. Yes, I'm coming home to you. Oh, how much I missed you. Wanna spend this day with you. Yes, I'm coming home to you.
Step number 4, I went back and just started adding in more of the tree trimmings using my hot glue gun.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight.
Step number 5, I went back and made sure I glued down all the string just to make sure that it's secured.
Hugging and kissing, just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door.
Now I'm just using my super glue to add a hanging hook, and this is optional, you don't have to do this part.
To wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day.
Now I'm going back to add add in some red berries that I picked from my parents' yard.
We're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Played it with me under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho.
So this is it. I love how it turned out, and I hope you did as well. If you did, make sure you go ahead and push that like button. And also, if you are not subscribed to my channel, I would love for you to join my YouTube family. And also, if you don't mind, go and follow me on Instagram. I posted some pictures on there, so just go follow me on there. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!